Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make video using text to video on INVIDEO. So first up, you need to sign up your account here on studio.invideo.io. And as you can see the dashboard, the templates, AI text to video, stock media, and editor. So we just want to go here on AI text to video. So if we click this option here, you'll find a bunch of templates that you can use. So for example, I want to use this travel destination template. So from here, you just double click the template that you want to use. And then you will go to the next page, as you can see here. So this is the template that we're going to use. So we're gonna click this use template button here at the right side of your screen. And then you will go here on this next page where you can actually write or paste the text here on this box. As you can see, I have created some text scenes from ChatGPT. So you can also do this one. And you just have to paste the text right here. And you can actually customize the settings here. For example, you can actually check this auto suggest images and videos. And once you've done right here, you can now click this create scenes. And then you have to wait for a few minutes until it stops regenerating this image and videos from this account. So you just need to wait until it finishes setting up this project. And here is the result right here, as you can see. So that's how you basically use these text to video features in InVideo. And then you can also edit these scenes here at the left side of your screen. So you can edit this text and you can add some media, videos, or music, or you can add some logo for your video. So once you've done right here, you can share this project or save these to your gallery. So that's how you basically create a video using these text to video features on InVideo. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.